Let's talk about the many benefits of having a solar attic fan in your home. Did you know that attics can reach scorching temperatures of up to 150 degrees? This excessive heat can seep into your living spaces, making your home hot and uncomfortable. However, by installing a solar attic fan, you can cool down your attic by up to 50 degrees, which helps balance and maintain a more comfortable environment throughout your entire home. Solar attic fans can effectively keep your attic temperature within 5 to 10 degrees of the outside temperature at all times, making a significant difference by keeping the hottest part of your home cooler. If you live in a 2 or 3 story home, you may have noticed that the upper floors tend to be significantly warmer than the lower levels. This temperature difference occurs because heat rises, making the upper levels less comfortable. However, with a solar attic fan, you can mitigate this issue. By cooling down the attic, the fan helps reduce the temperature disparity between the floors, helping your home's temperature stay evenly balanced. Running your air conditioning system continuously to combat the excessive heat in your home can lead to high energy bills, plus cause wear and tear on your AC. However, with a solar attic fan, you can reduce the workload on your AC unit. By preventing your attic from becoming a heat trap, the fan helps your AC system run more efficiently and for shorter periods. This not only saves you money on energy costs, but also extends the lifespan of your AC unit, one of the most expensive appliances to run and replace. In conclusion, solar attic fans are a game changer when it comes to maintaining a comfortable home environment. By keeping your attic temperature within 5 to 10 degrees of the outside temperature, these fans prevent hot, sleepless nights and reduce the need for your AC system to cycle on and off continuously. Embrace the benefits of solar attic fans and experience enhanced comfort, energy efficiency, and cost savings in your home. For more information on solar attic fans and the models that are offered by us, please visit our website at quietcoolsystems.com.